Hello friends, I am Dhaval. In this video, I will talk about how to build a PDF reader and using Python. So for that, I will use two Python library. One is PyPDF, which is for reading PDF and extracting the text from the PDF, and another one is um, PyTTX, which is for text to speech. And I will use two different methods for reading a text mm, from the PDF. One is Google library gTTS, and another is Python library PyHTTX3. So let's deep dive into code. To read out this PDF, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So for coding, we are going to use this library PyTTS3 and PyPDF2. So for installing this PyTTS3, we need to run this command. So I have already installed it, so it's not required to install again. So it already satisfied all the requirement, and similarly we need to install this library. So PyTTX3 is a text to speech library, so we will use this as a reading the text, and for PyPDF2 is for extracting the text from the PDF. So let's deep dive into coding part. So I will save this file as reader.py. So import pdf2 and import pyttx3. Okay, now this PDF file name is twinkle.pdf, so we will make object of PDF. So PDF file is equal to open. I'm going to open that PDF with twinkle.pdf in a read mode, and now create object of PDF reader. So PDF reader is equal to pypdf2 dot pdf file reader of PDF file, and we will create one variable which is appending the text of PDF. So I initialize as a null, and now we will extract text from PDF file. So I will run a loop in a PDF. So page number in range 0 to pdfReader.numPages. So it will give me the entire number of pages of PDF file. Now I will create object for individual page. So page object is equal to pdf reader dot get page. But which page? Page number. So it will run a loop in a PDF file and checking every page. Now we will append the text of every page. So my text is equal to plus equal pageObject.extractText. So this function will extracting the text. Now we will close PDF file. Not close. Okay. Now extracting past is done. Now TTS. So we will convert this text into speech. For that we will use this library. So for that we have to init the engine. So let's init it. And now we have some properties like we can set a rate. So we can set a rate up to new voice rate. So we will set it at 125. And we can change the voice also. So for 0 for female voice and for 1 it's male voice. So we are get properties, voice properties from the engine, and we will set as a female voice with ID 1. Okay, now engine property are set. Now we need to give text to engine. So engine.say myText. Okay, and now we will start the engine. So engine dot runAndWait function, which is running the speech. So let me save this file and let's try to run Python what is it? Reader. Sorry, need to come on desktop. Python reader.py. Let's hit enter.
Sing out loud children trademark signes songs lyrics twinkle, twinkle, littl star twinkle, twinkle, little star, how you wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
So this is the voice of girl, and this voice is not that much better, so we can change the engine to gTTS, which is a very good engine. So you can use you can install this library using this pip install gTTS, and we need to import it. So how to import it? From gets gTTS import gTTS. Let me import it. And how to use this? So tts is equal to gtt. We need to call this function here. So let me comment this engine for now, and we are going to use tts in myText, and we are going to save in mp3 file. So let's save in hello.mp3. okay, and now we are going to run that function. And this will create a hello.mp3 file here. So let me
Sing out loud children. Trademark S songs, lyrics, twinkle, twinkle, little star, twinkle, twinkle, Little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. When the blazy, NG sun is set, and the grass with dew is wet, then you show your little light.
Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.